Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to resolve a comment in Google Docs. Now you may be wondering, what is the purpose of comments and why do we need to resolve it? Well, usually when you're working on a Google Docs document and you're sharing it with multiple people, then or even for yourself, there might be cases where you need to comment a specific part of a document, maybe for you to remember to do something or to add something, or you might be making some suggestions for someone to fix or edit a specific part of a document. And so once this is done, you will normally see, like, for example, the person will reply, or if you go back to it and make that fix for yourself, then you will be able to find those specific part where you have the comments and you can resolve them. Now, to resolve it is very easy. Once you highlight a specific part of that comment or that document where the comment is, if you look towards the upper right hand side, you'll see a check, and this check is basically what you use to resolve it. So you have this mark here, it says mark as resolved and hide the discussion. You can simply do that by clicking on that, and you can see it goes away and the comments is no longer there on that specific part of the document. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.